Hey yo, self-tanner check! Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leia Romano and today we're going to be unboxing some self-tanner that I recently purchased. I've been seeing a lot of it all over Instagram and I wanted to give it a try and give you guys my honest review about it because I definitely always am checking YouTube videos to see what should I be spending my money on, because I'm gonna spend it, so I might as well not have to go and return something, you know? So the self-tanner I bought was from BALI. I got the ultra dark version along with the tanning mitt so I could really get that streak-free vibe. I'm used to doing a lot of spray tans, so I haven't really done an at-home tan except for one that was done in the shower. This is my first time doing a tan like this, but they claim that it should be super easy and anyone could do it, so hopefully that's true. One thing I did want to say about the packaging was that it was pretty boring. Like, it just came in this box, no, you would have no idea that it was from BALI, and literally the only things that were in it was this. I've seen, like, from really any place you order, they put, doesn't have to be like a discount code or just like a thank you note, welcome to the family note, like something like that. I haven't gotten attention since quarantine started. I don't know, I thought it was a little boring with the packaging considering they're shipping this all the way from like Australia. So I don't know, I just wanted a little something. So with any tanner, it's definitely very important to exfoliate first, usually shave if you want. This time I didn't because I shaved the day before, so I didn't really think it was that necessary. I use this exfoliant from Tree Hut. I'm absolutely obsessed with it and it just smells so good. Please don't come at me, skincare people. I know fragrance is not good for you, but like, I wouldn't even know what a Moroccan rose smells like, but it just smells like this. And it's delicious. And then I moisturized with Cetaphil. What I did was a light moisturize on most of my body, but I did a little more heavy on the parts that are really dry because I didn't want to pick up like a crazy amount of color in those spots of my body and not in the rest. So for example, my elbows, my knees, my feet, and also this part of my hand, I'm gonna put extra lotion on before, because having orange hands, like, that's just, do better. So I open this package, I take this mitten out, it comes in this little bag. I'm ready to start putting this on. This was last night. I'm ready to start putting this on, and I read the directions, which say hand wash mitt before use and allow to dry completely before using. So this is take 2 because I had to wait all night for it to dry. But it's dry and it is so soft. This feels really good. This is not what I was expecting the mitt to be like. I got the ultra dark tanning formula and I didn't get the face tan water. I'm gonna use this all over my body and see what the results are. So wish me luck. Okay, so it says to shake well, and we're gonna start at our feet and work our way up. There's not really a smell, so that's a plus, definitely. Okay, I'm just putting a little bit of extra lotion. I'm just kind of scared because I got the ultra dark. So this is my skin color. You see me, I'm not very tan. I've been going to the pool a lot, but honestly, I'm usually a little lighter than this. You could tell my face is definitely pretty light because I never want to put it in the sun. The sun is so bad for you. Like, if you can avoid the sun at all costs, please do. I'm already starting to get freckles and sunspots on my arms. Like, it's so bad. So that's why I got the self-tanner, so I can avoid that. I'm not trying to look like I'm 50 years old next year. Like, this actually smells delicious. It's not like a strong smell. It's like a soapy, kind of smells like soap, but it smells good. The pump is getting kind of annoying. It like is very temperamental. I feel like it's a little hard to apply evenly. Okay, maybe I'm just kind of stupid, but it's really hard to put on my back. I want to show you guys the color. If you could tell, I already started on my chest a little, but putting it on my arms now. And I'm gonna stop about right here. So what I'm gonna do instead of using the mitt is I'm gonna use a makeup brush. Ooh, did you guys see that? And I'm just gonna brush it out so that it gets that even like fanned look. The top one has no tan on it and the bottom has tan on it. That's already a big difference. I'm gonna keep going. This definitely is making my arm hair look a lot darker than it usually is. For my face, I'm gonna be using the same makeup brush. I'm only gonna be putting it really in the areas that I contour and then like fanning it out into the rest of my face. Because again, this is the ultra dark formula and I'm low-key terrified. This is probably such a bad idea. But we'll see what happens. I just got my hair highlighted, so I'm really hoping that this doesn't like dye my hair brown again. So I'm gonna fan it out, blend it a little bit into the rest of my face, into my nose. I feel like I didn't do that right at all, but you know, I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna put just a little bit on my cheekbones because I'm pretty pale and I have like the worst under eye circles in the mornings, as you can tell right now. So maybe if I tan a little, that'll go away. Okay, so that's it. It does say that for best results to reapply in 30 minutes. I feel really dark right now, so I think I'm good. I'm not like too nervous about this color. This is usually about the color I get when I come out of the spray tan booth, and then once you wash it off, it's not that bad. It says that you can wash it off in an hour before a darker tan, to leave for 4 to 8 hours before showering. So I'm gonna leave it for the 4 to 8 hours and I will let you know. Little update, this is taking a lot longer to dry than I was hoping. I don't really know when I should put my clothes on. Wow, all I can say, I absolutely love this product. Amazing. So I ended up taking it off my face way before I washed the rest of my body. I let it stay on my face for 5 hours, which is a lot, and I was kind of nervous, but I could have let it for longer because I wish it was a little bit darker. The rest of my body, I just washed it. It was the full 8 hours. I am obsessed with this color. I'm so tan. My stomach, my back, my legs. Look at this difference. This is insane. All I could say is, wow. I 100% recommend. I thought it was gonna fully come off in the shower because there was a lot of runoff, a lot more than when I get a spray tan, but it stayed on me. The color is so deep, so dark. I don't look orange. It doesn't have that orange tone. I think this product is more of a red undertone. I'm completely obsessed. I would rate this a 10 out of 10. Honestly, I know I had a lot of complaints at the beginning, so maybe a 9 out of 10, but out of the self-tanners I've used Saint Tropez, I've used BALI Body. Definitely recommend BALI Body the most. I hope this lasts as long as they say it lasts, but I'm really confident that it will. I did just the contour of my face. I'm only wearing mascara. Like, this, it literally made me look as if I'm wearing makeup, as if I'm contoured. Using the mitt, I thought that I was getting a lot of streaks on me because I would walk out, my mom would notice that I had different patches on me and I would have to go back and do it all over again. And it looked like it was streaky, but when it came off, it is so smooth, all one color. I think this product, again, 10 out of 10, amazing. If you're looking for a self-tanner to do at home, I definitely recommend BALI Body. Thank you. Hopefully you guys liked my video, you loved my review. I love the product, hopefully you will too. So make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Click that little bell button down there so you get notifications every time I post a video. And yeah, well, bye guys.